Question number 10, which is on functions, which is rather easier, or at least I find it easier. So in the exam, whenever you see a difficult question which you think is difficult, do not waste time and you can come back to it later, and first why not solve the ones which you find easier. Okay, so part A, find f of 3. So wherever we see x in f of x, we will replace it with f of 3. Okay, but do we know f of 3? No. So let's find out. F of 3 then will be equals to, see, they have replaced their x with 3. We'll do exactly the same thing. We will replace our x with 3 minus 1. Now 2 times 3 is 6. 6 minus 1 is 5. Now wherever you see f of 3, we can directly say that it is 5. Okay, so this makes it easier. So f of 3 is equals to is equals to 2 x. Now x will be replaced with f of 3, and f of 3 we already found is 5. The rest is exactly the same thing, minus 1. Okay, so 2 times 5 is 10. 10 minus 1 is 9, and this part is done. Part B, find g of f of x. So do we know f of x? Yes, we know. So let's do it. First of all, g of f of x, wherever we see x, we will replace it with f of x, okay, which is 2x minus 1. So it's x square. So instead of x square, we will say 2x minus 1 square, because that's the f of x, plus x again, but we will replace the x with f of x, which is 2x minus 1. Now all I have to do is solve this, okay, and it will be done. Remember, whenever you are opening the bracket with a square, do not just square this one and square this one and it's done. No, the safer way is by doing this way. Okay, write 2x minus 1 and then again write 2x minus 1, because that's how it became a square, right? You might open the bracket using the formula, but if you do not know the formula, this is the easier way. Okay, so 2x times 2x will give me 2 times 2 is 4, and x times x is x square, and then this will be multiplied with negative 1. I'll get minus 2x, and then it's time for negative 1 times negative 2x is another negative 2x, and then negative 1 times another negative 1 is positive 1. Okay, that's how you open the bracket to be safe. Now what was on this side we have just missed, which is plus 2x minus 1. Okay, now this positive 1 and this negative 1 will be cancelled. This negative 2x and this positive 2x will be cancelled. What is remaining is this, which is our answer. Okay, 4x squared minus 2x, and it is done. Part C, find f of inverse of x. Okay, so inverse means we have to inverse the sign. Okay, so in this, not the sign, the variable. So this x I will replace it with y, and think this as y, and I will replace this with x. Okay, so I will have, originally it was y equals to 2x minus 1. Now I will say x equals to 2y minus 1. Okay, so it was y equals to 2x minus 1. I will say x equals to 2y minus 1. Why I replaced it? Because we have to find the inverse, so I inverse the variable. Okay, now I will just solve it for y. This negative 1 will be positive 1 on the left hand side. This 2 times will become divided by 2, so it will be x plus 1 over 2 equals to y. This is my answer. Okay, so x plus 1 over 2, and remember this was my f of x, right? This was my f of x. Part D, find h of x plus h of x plus 2. First of all, what is h of x plus 2? Okay, it's 2 over x. So wherever we see, I'm writing this one first, wherever we see h of x, we replace the x with x plus 2, so it will become 2 over, instead of x it will become x plus 2. Okay, and let me write this one here now. It was 2 over x. Okay, now all I have to do is solve this, and I will get my 4 marks, which is quite a bit easier. So the base is not same, we have to make the base same. This one doesn't have x plus 2, so we'll give it x plus 2, but we also have to multiply up to have a fair comparison, this one doesn't have x, and we just cannot leave it there, we have to multiply up again. So now this becomes 2x, and this becomes 4 times, and then this becomes 2x again, and then we have a one common big base, which is x plus 2 and x. Okay, now this 2x plus another 2x is 4x, and plus 4, okay, over x plus 2 and x. You might want to expand the bracket, or you might want to factorize this one, but that won't give you any marks because this question is not about factorization or expanding the bracket. And this question is done.